Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate a new SSH key and add it into your GitHub account. Now let's get started. To generate an SSH key, copy and paste this command to your git bash terminal. Next, fill in your email address here. Next, press enter to continue. Enter again. Enter. Let's move on to next step. Using this command, you can copy the SSH key, go to your GitHub account. Next, go to the settings. First, select SSH and GPG keys. Select new SSH key. I'm going to title it test, but you can choose any title you like. Paste your SSH key here. Our key has been successfully added. Next, let's see if it works. Let's copy a repository from a remote server to your local machine. Type yes. Now it works. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.